Hello mga kabarkas, good morning. Ito yung bagong nilabas na Mitsubishi yan, Triton Athlete na pickup na sa 2024 na model. Yan, napakaganda at napakaangas. Yan yung iti-test drive natin ngayon mga kabarkas, kasi sinama tayo sa kaibigan natin na si Vrags na nandito tayo ngayon sa SM Lanang para mag-test drive sa
simulates where we're trapped like in mud or water, deep water. Okay, I'll just set it up, sir. There's a camera here, 360.
360 camera. Abante siya.
Traction.
Traction na.
I will let go, sir, of the brakes. We're on D, sir, so we're supposed to be moving. Yeah, because the tire is, you can feel the tire is moving, sir, but we're stuck here because of the rollers. So the purpose of the traction control, sir, from this one that's losing control, it will transfer to the other side, so you can get out of here. So to activate it, just press the gas, and here's the icon for the traction control, sir. So just a little gas, and that's it. Once it transfers the power to the other side, sir, we're off. So there's another one roller here, there. On the right naman, sir.
The right naman, diyan na po siya.
Transfer naman, sir, on the left. If you just accelerate, that's it, sir. Then it already helps you get out of there. If not, sir, papato kayo or
four-wheel ba niya?
Push it.
Two-wheel drive.
4x2 lang to, sir.
4x2.
4x2, but it has that feature. This one's
okay,
uneven pavement, so
huwag na yung problema sa mga two-wheel ba, no? Sangit ang isa.
Huwag na siya pang nasa traction mo tayo provide for a purpose.
Maskin 4x2 lang siya. Marag nasa pang 4-wheel. Mo na yung bago niyang fixtures.
Traction control ang tawag.
Traction control.
Loss of traction control. Just made it lose traction.
Pero ano yung masangit.
Yes, the tire is spinning.
Basta mga two-wheel.
Pero kaya-kaya niya.
Kaya niya kung anon.
Easy for the Triton.
Easy lang yan.
And then this one, sir, is a small ramp. Of course, the Triton can go higher and more steeper than this. This is just a sample of its climbing ability. When you drive this one later, sir, just if it's straight na, we're gonna move the steering wheel. We're gonna go up and just down. Like so. There it is, sir. We're gonna go back, sir, then we switch so you can drive. And you go through the same obstacle, sir.
Okay. Good.
Yeah. I just guide you, sir. Okay, sir. We switch. Yeah, okay, sir.
Yan mga kabarkads, tayo na naman ngayon mga kabarkads yung nagde-drive. Kanina yung instructor yun, paano gamitin itong pickup o ano yung mga function niya kung dadaan ka ng mga lubak. At yung kasi itong dinadrive natin is 4x2 lang ito, hindi 4x4. Kaya in-explain niya kanina is may traction control. Yan ibig sabihin ng traction control is kasi 4x2 lang ito. Yung may madaanan tayo dyan na mga may roller. Kapag makadaan ka doon sa roller, iikot yung gulong. Kung 4x2 yung pickup mo, iikot yung isang gulong sa kabila is hindi na yon iikot. Kasi yung isa is ibig sabihin is parang nakahang, or kung nakadaan ka ng mga putikan na kuan siya, ibig sabihin na hang. Ang sa kabila is hindi na iikot. Pero dito sa 4x2 na Mitsubishi pickup, kasi automatic ito mga kabarkads, wala nang nilabas ngayon na manual. All sasakyan ngayon is automatic na. Itong kuan ito is pag release mo ng brake is tatakbo agad kapag naka-drive ka na. Tapos kung itong dinadaanan natin, ang sabi sa instructor kanina, ugma yung isang gulong mo kung mahang, kasi hindi naiikot yung isang gulong kasi 4x2 lang ito eh. Sa traction control, pag i-accelerate mo na yung gas, kusa yung traction control, lilipat sa kabila yung hindi nahang, doon iikot para aabanti itong gulong na sasakyan na ito na pickup. Ito yung fixtures niya na maganda. Kahit hindi 4x4 yung pickup mo, is paraling maging 4x4 kasi iikot yung dalawang gulong kahit nakahang yung isang gulong. Yan yung kagandahan nito. Ito yung tinitest drive natin. May dinaanan tayo na mga obstacle dito, at yung paakyat na mabato, yan kayang-kaya niya aakyatin dahil sa kanyang traction control. Yan yun, napakaganda gamitin mga kabarkads. Ang ganda ng mga shock absorber niya kahit sa lubak-lubak, at ang sarap gamitin ng Mitsubishi Triton na bago sa 2024. Yan lang yung test drive natin mga kabarkads. Kasama natin yung kaibigan natin si Vlogs. Yan, thank you, maraming salamat.